What's up guys? It's Dana Chanel, the founder of Curlbible, and today I'm gonna show you how we package your order. Again, we thank you so much. We're so grateful. Like I've told you guys before, we are not a regular e-commerce store. Every single time you actually purchase an item, it is from a vendor, a small business owner who has reached out to Curlbible and said, yo, I need your help, I need your assistance, I wanna grow, I wanna scale my business, but I need assistance with marketing and advertising and really showcasing my product to the world. And so you support a woman in business every single day. And so we want to say thank you so much. We're so grateful, and we know that you'll love your product. So I'm going to show you kind of how the process goes when we package your order. You can hear a bunch of tape in the background. They're all doing what they're supposed to be doing, but we get a great turnaround time. We get your orders to you super quickly. Most of the time we're getting like DMs and pictures like, oh my gosh, like you guys shipped out my product that quickly. Yes, we do the damn thing. So the first thing that we do is we go ahead and analyze your order. Now, why is this so important? This is the packing slip right here, but I'm not gonna turn it over because I don't want you to see Danielle or Diamond's address and her phone number, but we analyze the order because that greatly changes what we're about to do next. We have two options. We have our Curlbible packaging, which is our standard packaging, which fits about, I would say, 7 to 8 products. And then we have our Spirit packaging, which has like a cool quote on there. It says powerful, resilient, ambitious, strong, anointed, chosen. You can definitely check out another YouTube video on why is it that we switch up our boxing and the meaning behind it. But that's what kind of makes this defining decision right now. She's ordered 5 products. 2 of them are really small. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is the best fit for this order is going to be ding, ding, ding. Van, I hope you add a little ding, ding, ding in here, is going to be the Curlbible standard packaging. So we are just going to toss this one away. Now the next thing is, what we would do is we would actually take our box with us. Now, some companies may not do this, but to minimize kind of like accidents of like mixing up your product with another box, or the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is we actually, where is it? We take your packing slip and we're going to put your packing slip on the box immediately. We do this because once it's yours, it is yours. It should not be moved, changed around. And we wanna make sure this is your box and we can essentially track the individual at any point in time if a mistake does happen, okay? Now the next thing you're gonna do that I kind of did off camera is I would actually fold the packing slip and I'm gonna put it into the box and it's going to be empty. Now I'm actually gonna take this box and go fulfill your order. Your box is going to be your actual fulfillment kind of, some people use like plastic bins or something like that and then take them to a table, but to me there's just so much room for error, so this indeed is your packing box, okay? And we're gonna actually go find the product, and I think we took some B-roll, so this is where you'll cue the B-roll. Hey, Van, cue the B-roll of us going to pick product. Yeah, okay, cool. But I've already went ahead and did that, so I have it right here in front of me. Now what's important is that I always reverse engineer. I wanna make sure that everything in this box is supposed to be here. The last thing I want you ladies doing is being so excited when you're tracking your package and your package gets there and everything's not there. That would suck, and we don't want that to happen. So we're actually instructed to empty all the contents of the box, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're going to repack the box, always triple checking what we put in here. So the first thing that Diamond got, and we're gonna go right down the list, and very, very important, ready for this, we're gonna go right down the list. And it says, Diamond, the first thing she got was the Glory for Mama belly oil. Now the second thing that's so important, and you know what, Van? Let me just go ahead and show you this. I'm gonna go ahead and fold this. So sorry, Diamond, your packing slip is all folded, but I wanted to show you from the outside of what's super important. And there's just gonna be this thing called quantity. The last thing I wanna do is you ordered multiple things of something and you didn't get all of them. Our main objective is to make you happy, proud, and excited about your packaging, and we do not want you disappointed because there is no reason you should. And most of the time, when people are disappointed, they don't remember anything that happened good, like the fast shipping time or the great product. They just remember the bad. And so when it comes to business, when it comes to entrepreneurship, I want to make sure that we are liaison to an extraordinary customer service experience the entire time, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, look at this order. It says Glory for Mama. I'm gonna go ahead, check it, make sure it is already bubble wrapped. We bubble wrap everything. Want to make sure your package is extraordinarily safe. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put it in the box. Don't do multiple at one time. I have to keep my hands clear. The second one is the No Limits Ultra Gloss. This is super, super popular. Where is it? It is going to be right here. So the next thing we're gonna do is, I don't care how small it is, how little, sometimes the carriers don't do their very best. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that we put that in bubble wrap anyway. An ounce of cure, what is it? What's the saying? A pound of cure beats, an ounce of prevention beats a pound of cure. That's what it is. An ounce of prevention beats a pound of cure. So I don't care how much money we have to spend when it comes to making sure that your item gets to you safely, okay? And in one piece. Because a lot of our beauty products are glass or plastic, and you know, errors can happen. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. I made sure that I checked the quantity. There was one. Then the Glory Multivitamin Hair Growth Oil. This is a best-selling product. It is our hair growth oil at Glory that gives you the ability to give all your scalp the nutrients that it needs to for healthy hair growth. So we're gonna put that in there. It does indeed say one. I'm double checking. She also got the Guava and Watermelon Flawless Luxe Set. This is one of our best-selling products as well. It's the Tropical Naturals Guava and Watermelon Seed Oil Cleanser, which is super, super popular, and it's a lot of quality and quantity. It's like 4 ounces. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the facial serum. Once again, I do not play. Curlbible does not play about making sure that your package gets to you safely, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, wrap that up, and boom, we're gonna stick it in there. Now the last product is the Glory Skin Discoloration Reversal Oil. Ding! And these are already pre-rolled, okay? So I'm gonna throw that in there. Now, the next thing that I do is I go ahead, and this is so, so important. We want to ensure that people take responsibility. Even at the office, we hold ourselves responsible and doing whatever we possibly can to make every single time better for our customers. We are actually instructed to sign the packing slip so that when you have an issue with your order, which should be rare if practice is process and procedure, but you know, mistakes sometimes happen. You will actually, on your packing slip, see one of our packers' signature, okay? So I signed mine, so Diamond, I have my signature now. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I actually fold it in half, and I'll go ahead and put it in there. So that now, even for my team, when we are talking and conversing or making mistakes or looking how to limit kind of like errors and stuff like that, the goal is to make sure that we can hold each other responsible. We can make sure that we're doing a good job, we're doing our due diligence, and not a, oh, I don't know who packed that order. You know what I mean? So we do indeed make sure that we put a process and procedure in place to ensure we know who packaged the order. The next thing that we go ahead and do is we put in one of our Curlbible love letters. So if you're a little bit curious about what our Curlbible love letter is, we started this about 6 months ago, and it literally is a little message from me based on the times or based on, I don't want to show you because only people who get orders get it, but it's a Curlbible love letter with a picture of me on it, kind of like a little postcard. Sometimes I just want to talk, encourage, inspire you, and just give you a little sprinkle of Jesus, and kind of just talk to you about whatever's on my heart for that quarter. And we change these up every quarter, just like we change up our spirit packaging. And so the next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to drop the Curlbible love letter in there. Boom. And this is what your order is going to look like before we go ahead and close up the packaging, okay? This is what it's going to look like. Just so that when you first open, you will go ahead and see the love letter. You will then go ahead and see your packing slip so you know exactly what you're supposed to be, what's supposed to be in there, what you're getting, and then you'll get the context, and then you have some black kind of cool little paper. So then what we're gonna go ahead and do is we are going to close the sides. close the front, and then you got to get your Curlbible pages right here. We're going to go ahead and slip these in. And then boom, you have your Curlbible order in the signature Curlbible packaging, which the goal was for it to look like a Bible, to continue to, you know, just remind you, give you a little sprinkle of just knowing that the Lord is there. He got you. We love to put a spin on our packaging anywhere that we can add, like, you know, our faith and our belief system inside the hems of our business. We just want to support you and say we love you and we thank you so much and we're so grateful. Kind of just give you an inside look of how we package your order. And so then I'll go ahead and tape this up, and you should be good to go, and you should receive your order in less than 5 business days, depending on the shipping that you actually chose. And so that's all, ladies. That's all I got for you. That's all I got. And then I think the next part is just hoping you freaking love your product. Showcase your product, showcase your order, send us an Insta story, a DM, and I know that you can actually, we just added a rewards program on the Curlbible website and the Curlbible mobile application, where you can actually get rewards for taking selfies or showing off your empty product bottles. So I would encourage you to go to curlbible.com, join our rewards program and get discounts, and download our mobile application. There's some exclusive coupons in there, and you can actually, we just dropped this new product that we're so excited. You can check out the Glam Glossary, that if you're looking for an actual service beauty provider, so a lash tech, a hair salon, anything, you can actually find it in the Glam Glossary of businesses who are actually partnered with Curlbible. So make sure you download the Curlbible app. We are so excited about everything that's coming to Curlbible, all the innovations that we're making, and we just want to say thank you so much for your support. So have an amazing day.